Today, I'm telling you all about Courtney's curl class. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and I have greatly enjoyed learning all about the Curly Girl method and taking tips and tricks from that method to improve the health of my hair. Back in 2018, I got really interested in doing the Curly Girl method, and through lots and lots of trial and error and playing around with products and techniques, my hair went from looking like this to looking like this. Now, in today's video, I will be telling you a little bit about something that I have been working on a lot behind the scenes. It is a curl course. Basically, it's a course that will give you every single tool I think you need in order to successfully start the Curly Girl method and continue doing the Curly Girl method without getting as discouraged and bogged down in all the products and all the application techniques and my goodness, why isn't this working and what am I doing wrong here? The idea is that this course is going to really help the people who want to save time in doing the Curly Girl method. If you've been hanging out with me for a little bit here on this channel, you know that I have over 100 videos. And your girl, your friend over here, Miss Courtney, is incredibly long-winded. Sorry. So what this means is that the videos on my channel are chock full, jam-packed full of information. And that can be a little bit of the problem. There is so much information and the videos are so long that if you want to pinpoint and find information, it can take a lot of your time. Courtney's curl class is meant to be a very useful tool, an all-encompassed starter kit to start the Curly Girl method, to save you from wasting time, money on products that may or may not work for you, and to save you some frustration and heartache that I had to learn the hard way. So here is what sparked my desire to create this tool when I have already put out so much information on the internet. I have been doing private curl coaching sessions for 10 months now. This is something that I have mentioned here and there on my channel, and it has been an absolute blessing getting to help a whole lot of women embrace the hair that they were fearfully and wonderfully made with. And after 10 months of working with fantastic people, I began to notice some trends. I began to notice that these beautiful women were all kind of struggling with the same issues. Some of those being that the reason they booked a curl coaching session with me was to save themselves time. They just wanted someone to go, here you go. This is what you need to do X, Y, and Z, ready, set, go. That is what they needed in order to successfully do the Curly Girl method and improve the health of their hair. Another issue that I noticed a lot was they needed just someone to give them the step-by-step routine. So this curl class will have step-by-step instructions on what I think is best to start the Curly Girl method. This will work for a wide range of hair types. These application techniques and products and steps that I talk about in this course have worked on everyone who's been gracious enough to let me play with their hair. All right, I'm going to insert a little caveat right here. I learned all of this information that I share in the course for free. I was able to teach myself what products and application techniques and steps worked best to increase the health of my hair and a bunch of my friends and family's hair in the most efficient, time-effective manner. Well, I guess you could argue that I wasn't very time effective because honestly, it took me a very long time to figure this out. I also have a background in chemistry. That is how I spent my time in college. I spent my time getting a degree in secondary education with an emphasis in chemistry. I have a passion for teaching and helping others learn. And you know what? I got real nerdy about the chemistry of hair, and so I have spent countless hours studying and researching everything because I find it enjoyable. Now, I realize that that makes me a particular breed of person. I know that not everyone loves looking at ingredients labels, Googling said ingredient, figuring out the molecular structure of said ingredient, and figuring out why certain things work well together and why certain things don't work well together. I completely understand if that is not interesting to you. If it is interesting to you, you are my people. But this course is meant to give you everything that I have learned over the course of the past 2 years, plus 10 months worth of knowledge I've gained while doing curl coaching sessions. This is meant to help you save time. Another thing I want to make incredibly clear, I will not stop posting YouTube videos. I will not stop trying to be as helpful as humanly possible. I love playing around with products and application techniques way too much to stop sharing that fun information with you guys. I absolutely adore it. So don't worry, it will not hurt my feelings in the least if you are not interested in checking out this course. And I don't want you to worry that the private curl coaching sessions with me are going away completely. They are not. Those will still be available to the people who want to do those. So guys, that is it. That is everything I have for you for Courtney's curl class. I'm so excited about it. I think it's going to be something that's incredibly helpful to a lot of people. This is something that I have invested an incredible amount of my personal time and money into creating in hopes of creating a tool that is so helpful for anyone who is feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, doesn't know where to start, doesn't know how to start, and just wants step-by-step instructions and a how-to manual a la Courtney on how to start the Curly Girl method. I hope it helps you go from feeling incredibly frustrated and discouraged with your hair to giving you the tools you need to have complete freedom in the hair that you were fearfully and wonderfully made with. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!